Hi and welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today we have this Ikea lamp. I took it from the not the returns, the clearance zone. It says it's a showroom model and it was £7.50 instead of £13. My little boy saw it and he said, I want it, and I said, okay, let's get it. You can hear there is something in it. I'm not sure what we're gonna find. So it's 24 volts DC, 3 watts. That's what it says on this. Of course, England, we have the 3-pin plug. It says LED power supply. Input up to 240 volts AC. Output 24 volts DC. And maximum 3 volts, which is the light bulb. So let's plug it in first and see what it does, even if this rattle. So let me find a spot where it works. I have a little bit of a new setup here. So turn it on, off, on, off, on, off. Nothing happens. So right, I guess we need to open it and see what it is inside that's rattling. I hope nothing is broken, or I hope that is broken so we can fix it. Oh, these are screws that don't come out. I think I picked the wrong bit, but it's doing the work, so I'm happy. Don't think there is another screw. These are molded, so not stickers. So let's see. Oh, okay, it comes right off. Ah, okay. So the light bulb was off. I think it was probably shaken or dropped or something, and the light bulb came off. Okay, very interesting light bulb. I guess if this breaks, I need to go back to Ikea to get the new one. I don't think I can find one in the normal shops. Right, of course I am. How did? I am not plugged. Okay, I'm not plugged. I'm just tightening these screws. Right, I'll put the light bulb back in. It's sitting right. Right, let's plug it in. This is for entertainment purposes only, so please do not try this at home. Okay, right. Hey, works first time. That's good. That's an easy fix. I was hoping for more, but yeah, my little guy will be happy. It's gonna have a lamp in the shape of a football. Right. Then let's put it back together. And that's it, basically. Right. So let's see how the screws align. So yeah, 3 screws, all good. I guess the moral of this video is going to be, do not be afraid to take a risk on some things. Because as you can see, it was only the light bulb that was off. It fell, which probably happened because somebody knocked it over or something. Let's give it another try before we close the video. Yay! Tell you the truth, yeah, I don't know. Would you pay £13 for it? Or $7.50 is more appropriate? Don't know. Right. Thanks for watching this video. Very short video. New setup. Hope you can see better or more. Or yeah. And yeah, we'll try to keep a steady flow. I've started doing one of these with, of course, horrible soldering. So now I have to do all the LEDs, but it's gonna hopefully look very nice when I finish it. But I have to do 20 because I want to give them to my work friends. Right. See you next time. Bye.